We got a dryer and we got a venting out the back. We want to vent it out the side. So stick around, we'll figure it out. Yeah, you're really cute. At this point, we gotta make a few measurements to be able to calculate how long our pieces of piping are going to be. So I'm reaching in there. You won't be able to see what I'm doing anyway, but I'm finding the end of the pipe that it goes into. So once you have your pipe cut here to the length, you'll find a tab underneath here. So you want to push this up, and then the piece that was in there, you're going to fold it back. Okay, so now you got this little hole. This hole creates a bracket that replaces the bracket that was on the main pipe in the back. So when we do that, we can take the screw that was holding the piece in the back, and we can feed this pipe in, and then right here, we're going to screw them together. And that's going to hold that pipe in place so that we can put our 90 on the other end and bring the pipe out here. So now we're in here and we can see the connections that we made down there, and then there's a 90 right there. So I'm going to feed another part under that. So once you have all your pieces cut the right length, you're going to assemble it. Now, the last piece of assembly I'm going to do is the one that's inside. Okay, that one there, and then I got to connect it. And then we put a male union on the end, and now the dryer is ready to be put into place. And that's what it takes to relocate the dryer vent location. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Odd Jobs.